Hello viewers, welcome to BotPenguin. In this video, we will discuss the steps to assign chats on the BotPenguin platform. Before starting, ensure that your team members are added to the BotPenguin with appropriate roles and permissions. If you want to know how you can add team members and how you can assign roles and permissions to them, the video link for that is given in the description box below. You can check it out. So the first way is assigning chats via the inbox. So once you sign up on the BotPenguin platform, you will land on this page. On the left hand side, you will find different options. You have to go to the inbox option right here. And here you can see the list of all the chats. To assign any chat to any team member, you have to go to the assign option right here. And you can select the team member whom you want to assign this chat. And that's it. That was the simple step to assign chat to any team member. Now let's move to the second way of assigning chat, that is using the assign chat component in the chat flow. For that, you have to select the bot. If you want to know how you can create a new bot, the video link will be given in the description box below. You can check it out. Then you have to tap on the edit your chat flow. From here, you can select the flow. This is the edit your chat flow canvas. You have to tap on the trigger action chat component right here. And here you'll find the assign chat component. You simply have to add it into your chat flow. As you can see, the chat component has been added. Now on the right hand side, you can customize the settings. You can choose whether to assign chats to a specific department or individual team members. If you select the department option, then you have to select the department from here. Currently, BotPenguin supports the round-robin method, which distributes incoming conversations cyclically among selected team members. And if you want to assign the chat to a team member, you can simply select the team member option from here. And here you have to select the team member from the list of team members that you have created. The best part is you will also find some additional filters here. You can enable this option if you want to prevent assigning chats to agents who are offline. And you can enable this option to assign the chats only in the business hours. And that's it. After setting up, you can link this assign chat component to the next message from here. Let's choose this. And you can see that the bot has been updated successfully. So that was how you can assign the chats and automate chat distribution and improve response time. If you have any doubts, you can refer to the help documentation. The link will be provided in the description box below. Thank you.